Hello, friends. Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. I had to take a little break, but we are back. So let me start off by saying make sure that you are subscribed so you do not miss an upload. In today's video, we are going to be looking at and discussing some living room, dining room combos, something that a lot of us have due to the space or size in our home. If something in this video catches your eye, don't forget to check the description box where you will find links for a hand-curated list of items that can easily flow and fit in your home inspired by this video. Let's get right into it. Combination living and dining rooms are perfectly suited for the way we live today, where open plan spaces tend to dominate in both new builds as well as existing homes, especially in home renovations. Really smart furniture placement and accessorizing can help create flow in a mixed-use space. This creates a well-defined and yet flexible zone for living and dining.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them, they don't want me to change.
Aiming for an equal amount of seating for living and dining room will ensure that the room feels balanced. Though you can feel free to change the ratio if you use the room more for one function or the other. For example, if your combination living and dining room is more used as a dining room than a living room, definitely have more dining room amenities and furniture there, or vice versa. Choosing a harmonious color palette and furniture that works well together without matching ensures a cohesive, stylish, livable overall design. Basically, you want it to flow and blend together without being too matchy-matchy that would just look like one big huge room. You definitely want to see the division between the living room and the dining room. With that being said, you don't want to contrast too much to where it looks like there should be a wall in the middle of the room because they just don't flow together. But I feel like once you start creating this room, you will definitely get the look that you're going for. The furniture and the colors will surely tell you if you are not on the right track.
Had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
This is a great example of using colors to create flow and cohesion. You see in the kitchen area it's white and gray, whereas in the living room area it's still that white and gray, but now it has a few splashes of black as well. Comment down below if you have an open living and dining room that are combined or if you have separate spaces. Also comment which one is your favorite. Now I know open living room, dining room combinations are all the trend, especially with the open layout floor plan. Honestly, I am just a traditional lover. I like having a separate room exactly for my dining room, and I like to have a living room. So I like those spaces to be separate, but I know that's a really somewhat old way of thinking, I guess. So comment down below what your favorite is. There are plenty of reasons for wanting to combine your living room and dining rooms, especially if you live in a studio apartment. Aesthetically speaking, the two spaces look better combined than separated. In addition, you'll be able to create more space in your home without having to do anything major like knocking down walls or adding extensions. I adore this room because clearly the room has two very separate and distinct uses. However, it flows beautifully. If you notice, the rounded arms on the sofa blend perfectly with the rounded back of the dining chairs. I love this room. thought this was really creative. I've definitely seen a rock or stone wall with the small ledges that kind of stick out at various spots, but I've never seen anyone place tea candles on it. I am in love and obsessed with this idea. Sadly, I can't do it at my house because I have cats and I think my whole house would be on fire.
Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down.
This is a great room to check out. Look how the beige colors is not only in the accent chairs, but also the dining chairs. Also that dark, deep wood, the dining table as well as the TV stand ties this room together. So I don't know if you all have noticed, but this room especially is very small, yet they tied it together with the color of the sofa and the dining chairs. Even though this is a small room, it was executed perfectly.
Don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down.
Tying into what I just said, take a look at this room. Look at the color of the bar stools, the color of the dining chairs, to go with the chandelier and that coffee table in the center. That one solid color ties the whole room together. But don't think if you're combining your living and dining room that you have to go with a solid neutral color. This room shows us you can go as quirky and colorful as you like. If you look at the dining chairs, the sofa, and even that accent vase on the fireplace mantle, as well as some fun curtains, this room just ties together. It screams color, it screams fun, and if you like this kind of thing, it screams...
They told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanted to...
Now, if modern is your vibe, take a look at this room. The silver accents on the table as well as in the living room really tie the space together, as well as the layout of the room itself. If you are into modern and kind of that, I won't say cold, but you know what I mean, that look, you should love this room. I just wanted to highlight this room because, come on, look at that view and look at that window.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing.
Okay, so this is for those of you who aren't sure you want to go full-on open concept. Take a look at this room. Technically, it is one open room. However, they have a series of pipes and stakes there separating the living area from the dining room.
Myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Now, if you haven't done so before, don't forget to comment your favorite room in this video down below in the comment section so I can know which one you like, and stay tuned if you want to see my favorite.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, Told you how to run the race, every move was on the page. But I didn't like their way, had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinion.
So, what was your favorite room? Go ahead and comment it below if you want to know mine. It is this room. I feel like it is classic, it's luxurious, it's just feminine enough, and I really love this even though it's a combination room. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves home decor, and make sure you are subscribed. I will see you friends in the next video. Stay stylish.